Welcome back to my morning report. Chart appraisals on Thursday, the 25th of February, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at euro dollar now. And we've had this sort of slide in euro dollar in the last couple of weeks. Is there a sign that maybe we're finding a bit of support? I've drawn in this uptrend from the December low, and it's pretty much got hit yesterday. That uptrend yesterday came in at 9.35. The low was 9.55. Today that uptrend is at 940 area. Now, yesterday's candle, interesting rebound because it sort of closed 60 ticks off the low pretty much, and it's not a million miles away from being, could be argued to be a hammer. I mean, it's got a bare daily close on it, so it's not a brilliant bull hammer, but that is a big intraday turnaround. And it's sort of coming as the momentum is just beginning to sort of settle a little bit, you could argue. The MACD line's possibly just settling. RSI sort of possibly settling around that sort of mid-40s area. Today's candle, or today's trading, is basically flat on the day. Sort of buzzing around the flat line. Not really any real decisive move. But look at this hourly chart. We've now got in place what could potentially be a head and shoulders reversal. We've got that line in at 1050. That is the old big pivot bottom and the pivot band between 1050 and 11 figure. Now that is the basis of resistance, isn't it? If you see a move above 1050, that would arguably complete a head and shoulders top reversal pattern. And it'll be interesting because at the moment, when a couple of hours ago when I wrote my morning report, the 60 line on the hourly RSI, again coming in as a basis of resistance. I said that if you start to see the RSI on the hourly chart moving above 60, then that could certainly be a suggestion that we're going to get a completion of this base pattern. Not happened yet, and just dropping away in the last couple of hours, you could argue. So if I zoom in here, you can see more clearly. 1050 seems to be a bit of a pivot. Sorry, 10 figure seems to be a bit of a pivot in the last few days. Yesterday, what's that, Monday? Also yesterday, sort of came in back in as a bit of a pivot support, and again, sort of even in the last hour, it seems to be still a basis of support. It'd be interesting to see if that actually holds on now, because 955 is that low that we saw yesterday. So if you start to see it below 10 figure, then chances are it's probably going to be you're going to be seeing that MACD line is already beginning to cross lower, which is negative, isn't it? So the chances are the chances of this base pattern completing are slimming by the as trading continues this morning. But 10 figure I think is a fairly important level. Obviously it's a bit of a round number anyway, but near term, if you lost that, then you sort of the potential for a bit of a base pattern sort of ebbs away ever more. But you do still have this uptrend intact, and yesterday's reaction just from above that was interesting. So it is still a corrective move, but I will be very interested to see how the market reacts to this uptrend, which is, as I said, been in place since December. So, but good 12 weeks or so of an uptrend. So I wish you good luck in your trading on the euro dollar, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.